The Volvo XC40 key fob, used for keyless entry and ignition, requires a simple process to open for battery replacement. The key fob uses a slide latch mechanism. First, locate the small sliding latch on the edge of the key fob. Slide this latch to unlock the case. Once unlocked, gently pry open the two halves of the key fob using a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Insert the tool into the seam created by the opened latch and carefully separate the case into two pieces. This reveals the battery compartment inside. This process is the same for 2018 and later models of the Volvo XC40. Be sure to avoid moisture or using excessive force as the fob contains sensitive electronics. With the key fob open, locate the CR232 battery. Note the polarity. The positive side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Incorrect polarity can damage the fob. Align the two halves of the key fob case and gently snap them back together. Ensure the sliding latch is securely locked. Test the key fob by attempting to lock or unlock the car remotely. If it doesn't work, reset through the car's settings menu. Dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly by recycling it. Handle the fob carefully to avoid damaging internal electronics.